Hello students, in the today's lecture video, we will continue our chapter number 4th, linear equation into variables. According to this chapter, in the last video, we have some basic information cleared, and after it, I am continuously proceeding the next content. Now look here, assume 2x plus y is equals to 3 is any linear equation. This equation, the graphically representation of this equation is a line. How? First of all, I want to discuss on this matter. ये लाइन कैसे बनाती है? How will it form a line? देखो, जैसे अपने पास देखा है 2x plus y is equals to 3. From here calculate either x or y. मैं y कैलकुलेट कर लेता हूं क्योंकि y के पीछे कोई कोफिशिएंट नहीं है, तो 3 minus 2x. 3 minus 2x. अब देखो x क्या होता है यहाँ पे? x is a real number. You can apply any value at the place of x. Means you are independent. There is no foundation on x. x की जगह पे आप कुछ भी अप्लाई कर सकते हो. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 200, 2000, up to infinity, and minus also. So let if x is equals to 0, x की वैल्यू 0 ले, then y कितना होगा आपका? 3 minus 2 into 0, 0. 3 minus 0 is 3. Y is equals to 3. If I will consider x is equals to 1, then y is equals to 2 into 1. 2 into 1 is 2. 3 minus 2 is 1. And let's suppose x is equals to minus 1. Then y is equals to, देखो अब मैं समझा एक्सप्लेन करता हूँ. 3 minus 2 minus 1. Minus minus plus 3 plus 2 is 5. And you can apply more values like x is equals to 2 भी रख सकते हो आप. x is equals to 2 रखा तो यहाँ 3 minus 2 into 2. 3 minus 4 is equals to minus 1. Then y is equals to minus 1. काफी वैल्यूज आप यहाँ पे पुट अप कर सकते हो. अब इसका ग्राफिकली रिप्रेजेंटेशन करते हैं. It is the origin point 0, 0. This is the x-axis and it is positive x. It is negative x dash. It is positive y-axis and it is negative y-axis y dash. The first x 0. X is always 0 on y-axis. X is always 0 on y-axis. And y is always 0 on x-axis. X is 0 on y-axis and y is 0 on x-axis. मतलब y तो इस पे 0 होगा और x इस पे 0 होगा. हमारा x 0 है तो ये 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4 कुछ वैल्यू सेलेक्ट कर लेते हैं. ये 1, -1, -2, -3, -4. X is 0, y is 3. So x is 0 and y is 3. First coordinate is this 0, 3. First point is this x is 0 and y is 3. Second, x is 1 and y is 1. X is 1 and y is 1. Here 1, 1. Next, x is -1, y is 5. X is -1. Near about here, but how it is possible? How it is possible? If x is 1, then y is 1. X is -1, x is -1 is here and y is, yeah, correct, x is -1 and y is 5 यहाँ approximately here -1, 5. Next point, x is to y is -1, x is to here and y -1 near about here -2, 2, -1. Now join these. It will always straight line. स्ट्रेट लाइन. अब इस लाइन पे कितने पॉइंट्स होंगे? एक पॉइंट यहाँ पे भी हो सकता है, ये 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 भी हो सकता है, here also, here also, here also. Infinitely many solutions are available for any linear equation which has two variables. Let's suppose, पहले का मेरा ये एक्सप्लेन करने का मोटो ये है कि मैं ये समझाना चाह रहा हूं कि इस इक्वेशन के how many solutions this solution has, this equation has. इस इक्वेशन के कितने सॉल्यूशन हैं? तो अपन ये बोल सकते हैं this equation has infinitely many solutions because it is a straight line and each point which lies on this line is a solution of this equation. मतलब जो भी पॉइंट इस लाइन के ऊपर एग्जिस्ट होगा वो ही पॉइंट इस लाइन का क्या होगा? सॉल्यूशन होगा. तो इस लाइन पे तो काफी सारे इनफाइनाइटली पॉइंट्स, मैनी से पॉइंट्स हैं, यहाँ पे भी है, यहाँ पे भी है, काफी पॉइंट्स हो सकते हैं, यहाँ पे 100 भी होगा, 100 क्या infinity points हो सकते हैं किसी भी straight line because it can be extended in the both the directions. So the straight line has infinitely many points on it and each point is the solution of the related equation and hence this equation has infinitely many solutions. अब किसी इक्वेशन का यूनिक सॉल्यूशन कब होगा? देखो, यूनिक सॉल्यूशन होने के लिए हमारे पास एटलीस्ट 2 इक्वेशंस होनी चाहिए. देन वी कैन से दैट इफ 2 इक्वेशन, इट इज कंडीशनल. 2 इक्वेशन होंगी हमारे पास, वो भी कंपल्सरी नहीं है कि इनका भी सॉल्यूशन 1 है या इनफाइनाइटली मेनी सॉल्यूशंस हैं या फिर कोई सॉल्यूशन होगा ही नहीं. तो उसके लिए 2 इक्वेशंस होगी. तो अपन वो आगे के एक्सरसाइजेस में अपन उनको डिस्कस करेंगे. तो पहले अभी इसी के रिगार्डिंग आपकी एक्सरसाइज है. सो स्टूडेंट्स, लेट्स स्टार्ट द एक्सरसाइज. एक्सरसाइज 4.2. So recently we discussed on an equation which represents a straight line. That's why this equation is known as linear equation and there are 2 variables. Then we called it linear equation with 2 variables and a single equation of a straight line always has infinitely many solutions. Got it? Now first question of exercise 4.2. What is the question? Which one of the following option is true and why? Y is equals to 3x plus 5. An equation is given in this formation. It is a linear equation because the degree of both the variables is 1 and there are 2 variables are available. One is x and second is y. That's why it is a linear equation of 2 variables. Next, which one of the statement is following statements true? There are 3 statements are given. First is this equation has unique solution. Unique solution मतलब इस solution का सिर्फ एक ही solution है. Second, there are only 2 solutions. कि इस equation के 2 solutions हैं. Third, infinitely many solutions. Guess what is the answer? Guess what is the answer? The answer is third option. Infinitely many solutions because and one more question is after of it, which is explain the reason for behind it. यदि 1 है तो क्यों है? If there are 2 solutions then why? If there are infinitely solutions then why? In this system this equation has infinitely many solutions, and the reason for behind it, because the graphically representation of this equation will be a straight line, and a straight line contains infinitely many solutions, and each point which lie on this straight line each point which lies on this straight line will be a solution of this equation. तो इसके ऊपर बहुत सारे पॉइंट होंगे और सभी पॉइंट इस इक्वेशन के सॉल्यूशन होंगे. तो हम ये नहीं कह सकते कि इसके कितने सॉल्यूशन होंगे, मींस these solutions are not countable. So finally the solution of this equation are infinitely many solutions. Are you agree with this answer? Okay. Now the next question number 2. Write 4 solutions for each of the following equations. Second question, part first. How many solutions we have to write? 4 solutions. 2x plus y is equals to 7. 2x plus y is equals to 7. From here calculate either y or x. देखो प्रायोरिटी दीजिए उसको जिसके पीछे कोफिशिएंट अवेलेबल नहीं हो, एटलीस्ट जिसका कोफिशिएंट 1 होना चाहिए. प्रायोरिटी बेसिस पे इसको लीजिए, अदरवाइज यू कैन सॉल्व एनी वन. तो मैं इसको प्रायोरिटी दे रहा हूं, y इज इक्वल्स टू 7 माइनस 2x. अब देखो फर्स्ट सॉल्यूशन ए लिख देता हूं, फर्स्ट सेकंड पे यहां लिखा हुआ है ए. You can choose any value of x from your mind. कोई भी नंबर होना चाहिए, वो रियल नंबर होना चाहिए, और आप रियल नंबर मीन्स जो इस यूनिवर्स में कहीं ना कहीं एग्जिस्ट करता हो. रियल नंबर. लेट x इज इक्वल, इफ x इज इक्वल टू 0 से स्टार्ट कर लेते हैं, देन y इज इक्वल टू 7 minus 2 into 0, and y is equals to 7. 7 minus 0 is equals to 7. B. If x is equals to 1, then y is equals to 7 minus 2 into 1. Y is equals to 7 minus 2. And finally, y is equals to 5. This is the first solution. This is second solution. Third, C. If x is equals to, just imagine 3, 2 ले लो, 0 लिया, 1 लिया, now 2. Then y is equals to 7 minus 2 into 2. 7 minus 4. And y is equals to 3. D. If x is equals to 3 ले लो, then y is equals to 7 minus 2 into 3. 2 into 3. 3 2 is 6. Y is equals to 1. So the 4 solutions are x is 0, y is 7. 0, 7. Next 1,5. नेक्स्ट 2,3. x की वैल्यू पहले लेनी है, इसको बोलते हैं ऑर्डर्ड पेयर. इसको ऑर्डर्ड पेयर बोला जाता है जिसके अंदर x की वैल्यू पहले आती है और y की वैल्यू बाद में आती है. x is 2 and y is 3, and last x is 3, y is 1. So these are 4 solutions according to me, and according to you it can change, and according to the answer of the book, according to the answer sheet of the book, this can be changed because these are flexible. How many solutions are available of this equation? Infinitely many. And how many we calculated? Or we calculated only 4. How many are many? Not countable. So we just select only 4 solutions from a large of part of this large of number of the solution of this equation. मतलब इस equation की काफी सारे solution हैं, उनमें से हमने कोई 4 select किए हैं. So it is not compulsory that these answer will match with your answer sheet. So don't be nervous. if you will calculate according to yourself, then your answer should be different. So don't worry about it. Okay, student. Now the second part of the same question I am taking. You just copy this solution. Question number second part second. Pi x plus y is equals to 9. Pi x plus y is equals to 9. We know that pi is equals to 22 upon 7. If you want to apply this value, it's depend on you. You want, then apply, otherwise there is no need, because it is the understood value. Everyone knows the pi is 22 upon 7. So again I am calculating the value of y, which is 9 minus pi x. 9 minus pi x. Again, first, if x is equals to 0, then y is equals to 9 minus pi into 0. ये 0 हुआ, y is equals to 9. Are you ready? Okay, next. If x is equals to 1, then y is equals to 9 minus pi into 1. Y is equals to 9 minus pi. Y is equals to 9 minus 22 upon 7. Because pi is 22 upon 7. LCM is 7. 63 minus 22. 41 upon 7. Here, third, if x is equals to 2 ले लो और 2, then y is equals to pi की वैल्यू अप्लाई कर देता हूँ, 9 माइनस 22 या लिख देता हूँ 22 अपॉन 7 इंटू 2. y is equals to 9 minus 44 upon 7. 7 is LCM. 63 minus 44. 19 upon 7. And last fourth value, x is equals to 3. माइनस में भी ले सकते हैं आप, रेशनल नंबर भी ले सकते हैं, डेसिमल भी ले सकते हैं. You are not bounded for it. You can select any value from your real number. X is equals to 3, then y is equals to 9 minus 22 upon 7 into 3. 9 minus 22 upon 7 into 3. 66. 9 minus 66 upon 7. LCM is 7. 63 minus 66. Then y is equals to minus 3 upon 7. So the four solutions are, first is x आपने क्या दिया 0 पे y कितना दिया 9. 0 then y is 9. If 0 x is 1 then y is 41 upon 7. If x is 2 then y is 19 upon 7. If x is 3 then y is minus 3 upon 7. So students, these are four answers of our equation. So students, without copying this solution, you will try to calculate other than these four answers. You will also get your success. So I hope that you will try at your home in your rough notebook. And now I am going to erase it. And third part is remaining of this question. You will solve yourself. Question number 3. Question number 3 is given. Check which of the following are solutions of the equation x minus 2y is equals to 4. The given equation is x minus 2y is equals to 4. There are total 5 parts are given. First is 0, 2. second is 2, 0. Third is 4, 0. Fourth is root 2, 4 root 2. And fifth 1, 1. So there are total 5 parts of this question. Now what we have to check? We have to check from these 5 parts which one of the solution of this equation, मतलब कि कौन सी वैल्यू इस पे, इस पॉइंट पे, इस पे या फिर इस पे, कौन सा पॉइंट इस इक्वेशन को सेटिस्फाई करेगा. So I am selecting one by one. Only I will do only 2 parts of this question, and remaining parts you will solve yourself. And I am going to select and third and fourth. It is for third. The given point is 4, 0, and this is for fourth. Given point is root 2, 4 root 2. Okay. This is the value of x and this is the value of y. X is equals to 4 and y is equals to 0. Apply this value in the given equation from here, from the given equation. From the given equation, apply at the place of x. देखो LHS सेलेक्ट कर लेता हूं, LHS जो कि क्या है x माइनस 2y. यहां पे x की जगह रखो 4 माइनस 2 इंटू 0 इज इक्वल्स टू 4 माइनस 0 इज इक्वल्स टू 4. और हमें चाहिए भी क्या था 4. इफ दिस कैलकुलेशन इज इक्वल टू द राइट हैंड साइड, देन it is verified that this is a solution of this equation. और यदि ये कुछ डिफरेंट आए, कुछ भी आए, इसके अलावा कुछ भी आए, 4 के अलावा कुछ भी आए, then it is a no solution of the given equation. Similarly, solve the fourth part. Here x is equals to, language we will write again, x is equals to root 2 and y is equals to 4 root 2. X is equals to root 2 and y is equals to 4 root 2. Apply both the values in this equation again. So from the equation I am selecting again LH as left hand side, which is x minus 2y. Clear? X is root 2 minus 2, y is 4 root 2. 2 into 4 root 2. Root 2 minus 8 root 2. देखो थोड़ी देर के लिए मैं एक्सप्लेन करने के लिए इसको मान लेता हूं x, और ये भी दोनों राइट वैल्यूज हैं, तो 8x. x माइनस 8x इज माइनस 7x, और x को आपने क्या इमेजिन किया है रूट 2. तो मतलब मैं इसको यूं बोल सकता हूं, इट इज इक्वल्स टू माइनस 7 रूट 2, माइनस 7 रूट 2, विच इज नॉट इक्वल्स टू 4, which is not equals to 4. Therefore root 2 comma 4 root 2 is not a solution of the given equation. What it? Are you happy with the calculation? Are you enjoying it? Okay students, so now let's start the question number 4th. Remaining this part, this one and this one you will solve yourself, and these are also you will try to calculate. आप इसको फॉलो करें, बट इसको रटने की कोशिश ना करें कि सर ने ये बताया हम ऐसे ही करेंगे, नहीं. Just try to